Hi and welcome. In today's video I'll be showing you how to change video quality on screen recorder on Samsung Galaxy A72. Let's go and open settings. From there we have to find and pick advanced features. In here pick screenshot and screen recorder, and at the very bottom, as you can see, there's a video quality option, and we can choose between 1080p, 720p or 480p. We'll stick with 1080p because that's the best quality available to us. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. Goodbye.